The best way, of course, to deal with wood furniture like this is to strip it completely down. But I may paint them later, so I'm just going to touch them up. And you can see if it might be something you'd want to do. So you start by, or I start by using a little bit of dish soap. And around the edges, there'll be a lot of grease. That's where people pick them up and children touch them and so forth. So just scrubbing. And it's better to do the back side of that section too, because of the openings. And then I use another cloth to wipe them off. And you want to do that several times because you really want to get all the soap off. And you know, rotate your cloth too. Bring this through here. Okay. Now on the legs, because these are ornate, I use a brush on them. This Minwax, it's a, actually it has a sealer in it, I didn't realize that. I would recommend not even getting a sealer. I would use one just the stain. Like a lot of times people will just use Old English to touch it up, but these need more than that, so I just used one of my old brushes and just like I'm painting it on. And you can let it sit for a while if it's in need of a lot of stain, or you can just immediately wipe it off. But it will give it a renewed look. All the chairs needed to be reupholstered, and it's simply a matter of taking the 4 screws out of each side. Okay, this is one that's finished, and I'll set that behind it, or you can set it next to it, and that way you can get your pattern exact. And then you start in the middle, then you'll go down here and make sure this is the same, and I see that it needs to come down a little. And then after you've done that, then you'll flip it over and you can start stapling it. These are the chairs finished,